Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Nigerian chinchin with 500 grams of flour. So the first thing you want to do is sieve your flour into a bowl to remove out any lumps in the flour. Then you add dry ingredients and you mix very thoroughly. Then add the butter in and mix very thoroughly until you get like a grainy consistency. After mixing in the butter, you get a crumbly kind of texture. It's not too wet, it's not dry either. You can also use both hands to ensure a very smooth mixing. Make a hole in the center of your flour, add the milk, add the egg and water, a little bit of water to measure the consistency of your dough. You can keep adding water until you get the desired texture. It's important to add the water little by little until you get the texture you're going for. So you don't add more than enough water and make it very sticky, because you don't want a sticky dough. At this point, what I'm just doing is I'm folding the dough into itself. Then you mix till you get a smooth and non-sticky dough. I'm going to transfer my dough onto my work surface to knead very well. So basically, you just need to knead your dough for about 1 to 2 minutes.
Take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you begun. Feel like that. Feel like, that.
So after kneading, you cover up your dough. After 30 minutes, you can cut the dough into smaller sections to make it easier. You can sprinkle some flour on your dough and on your rolling pin to prevent the dough from sticking to your dough. Then
shines
using a knife or a
hard.
pizza cutter,
Keep
cut the
me
dough into your desired
reciprocating,
chinchin shape
believing
and
only
slice it.
then we could start. Feel like that. Feel like that. Like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby.
Fry your chinchin over medium-high heat and be careful not to overcrowd your pan because your chinchin needs enough room to move around when frying. I learned that the hard way. And here is our crunchy Nigerian chinchin ready to be eaten. So for people that want to sell their chinchin, I'm going to be showing you how you can package it for sale using a wrapper, small cup, and a plastic.
You wanna know what's beginning of love? You look so hard, but you can't see enough. Just find it.
That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also turn on the post notification bell on to get notified every time I post